Polyverse is a cybersecurity company aimed at creating resilient systems that are resilient to cyber attack, systems that hackers just don't know anything about and they can't attack them successfully. The key to our approach is a technology known as moving target defense. And this is inspired by biology. So consider humans, or for that matter, any species out there. What if every human had exactly the same DNA? Well, as a species, we would have been wiped out by the bubonic plague, Spanish flu, zombie apocalypse. Choose your favorite. Any of these diseases would have just wiped us all out if we were all clones of each other. And it's our genetic diversity that gives us resilience as a species. Flip over to computers. It's largely a monoculture. It's basically Windows, Linux, and Mac, and you start thinking about it. So if I learn how to hack a Windows computer, I can take over 1 billion computers in the world. If I learn how to hack a Linux computer, I can take over 3 billion computers. So the economic payoff for attackers is ginormous. So what we do with Polyverse is we flip those economics. We make every computer unique. By making every computer unique, they don't know what they're going to attack anymore. The nice thing is we do this uniqueness completely behind the scenes. It's all at effectively the DNA level, the binary level of a computer. The name of the technique is called scrambling. So we literally use a compiler, what's called a scrambling compiler, and we produce different orders of binaries all the time, essentially changing the math continuously. And this happens every day. We're now doing a couple of million Linux builds a day now. We sell to pretty much any organization. We're largely Fortune 5000, large organizations and military and governments, folks that really care about cybersecurity. We do get a lot of work with the government. A lot of it I can't talk about for obvious reasons. A lot of the leaders in our government, in the Pentagon in particular, care a lot about the cybersecurity problem, and they've deployed and are deploying some of the very best cyber technology, including ours, to defend the country. Cyber is now a key part of military strategy. But then it's not just the sort of the nation state and the military and all that sort of big fancy stuff. It's also everybody's business and home computer. One of the things that attackers like the most is to take over a small business. But in terms of how scary this is, we could knock the country back to the Stone Ages in 30 minutes. Or an adversary could knock the U.S. back to the Stone Ages in 30 minutes. Take out all the power plants. Now what are you going to do? The good news is we have the technology now to make it a non-issue. And so we chose the name Polyverse to represent this idea that we're trying to change the physics of all these different little universes. And if we can do that and create this enormous diversity, you've made it phenomenally hard for attackers to win. And that's the whole thing. We will solve the cybersecurity problem, period, full stop. It is solvable.